If you want to learn JavaScript fast in 2026, this video will save you months of confusion. JavaScript is no longer just for websites. It runs mobile apps, backend servers, AI dashboards, games, and even desktop apps. I'll show you exactly what to learn, what to skip, and how to practice so you don't quit halfway.
Why JavaScript in 2026?
In 2026, JavaScript is still the 1% most in-demand programming language.
Companies want JavaScript developers because one language can do everything: front-end, back-end, mobile apps, AI dashboard.
If you learn it the right way, you can start building real projects in weeks, not years.
Step 1. Learn the right basics.
Most people fail because they start with too much theory. Here's what you should learn first, and nothing more. What to learn first? Variables, let, const, data types, functions, conditions, if, else, loops, arrays, and objects. Consistency beats intelligence. Code 30-60 minutes daily, even if you feel confused. Daily practice ideas. Modify existing code, break things intentionally, and rebuild small features. Tutorials don't make you a developer, projects do. In 2026, employers care about what you can build, not certificates. If you can't build it alone, copy it once, then rebuild it without looking. This is where beginners become hireable. Don't memorize, use them in projects. Once you understand JavaScript basics, learning a framework becomes easy. JavaScript first, framework second. Never reverse it. If you want to learn JavaScript fast, avoid these traps. Common mistakes: watching without coding, switching tutorials daily, learning everything at once, fear of making mistakes. JavaScript isn't hard, quitting is. If you stay consistent for 90 days, your skill level will shock you. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it with someone learning JavaScript, and subscribe for more practical coding tutorials.